Keep the door open. Keep the door open. Don't take anything carelessly. Don't take anything carelessly. Take the stuff you need. Take the stuff you need. Give me the key. Give me the key. Open this gate. Open this gate. Listen to your parents. Listen to your parents. Say it right now. Say it right now. Wash that dishes. Wash that dishes. Please take a picture for me. Please take a picture for me. Please don't block the road. Please don't block the road. Please take me to the police station. Please take me to the police station. Move to that way. Move to that way. Arrange the plate on the table neatly. Arrange the plate on the table neatly. Press the button to start the engine. Press the button to start the engine. Push that box as hard as you can. Push that box as hard as you can. Definitely, it's absolutely delicious. Definitely, it's absolutely delicious. Wow, this pizza is bussin'. Wow, this pizza is bussin'. Don't forget to take out the trash. Don't forget to take out the trash. What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast? Did you enjoy your meal? Did you enjoy your meal? I'll take the stairs instead of the elevator. I'll take the stairs instead of the elevator. Where did you get that shirt? It looks great on you. Where did you get that shirt? It looks great on you. I'll be home around 6 p.m. I'll be home around 6 p.m. Don't forget to turn off the lights before leaving. Don't forget to turn off the lights before leaving. I'll be heading to work in a few minutes. I'll be heading to work in a few minutes. I'll be picking up the kids from school later. I'll be picking up the kids from school later. Did you remember to feed the pets? Did you remember to feed the pets? I'll put on some music and start preparing dinner. I'll put on some music and start preparing dinner. Let's light some candles. Let's light some candles. What should we have for dinner? What should we have for dinner? I could use some water. I could use some water. What time does the bus arrive? What time does the bus arrive? But I'm not sure about the price. But I'm not sure about the price. Are you considering buying it? Are you considering buying it? That sounds reasonable. That sounds reasonable. I'll have it wrapped up for you. I'll have it wrapped up for you. I'm a bit worried about its condition. I'm a bit worried about its condition. That does ease my mind a bit. That does ease my mind a bit. I completely understand your worry. I completely understand your worry. Take your time to think it over. Take your time to think it over. Take all the time you need. Take all the time you need. What if it doesn't work properly? What if it doesn't work properly? I need to take some medicine for my fever. I need to take some medicine for my fever. How could I forget? How could I forget? This cough isn't getting any better. This cough isn't getting any better. Did you have a rough night? You look unwell. Did you have a rough night? You look unwell. I'm nodding off at my desk. I'm nodding off at my desk. I need to wake myself up. I need to wake myself up. Please subscribe and see you soon.